Nagabenta ki khubor baman kasni pet but subscribe ya u antor news.
Kublai phi baro kini kilong ki khubor bamda kasni. Ha kajing yalang bakar pang balalong ne kasni hasilong polo club shilong. Nagabenta ki postal but pila telling kabade ka pictorial cancellation kabaningkong hakanot is circle. Kani kalalong kasinjam kabakong san ha kabayade kajing rakhi ka culture but ya ka tynrai pateng jong ka jylla Meghalaya lingba ka pili di. Ya kani ka jingplay pat ba la yalam do Shri Sanjeev Ranjan obde Chief Postmaster General ka North East Circle. Ubla long kum ukong san hagani kasngi la yadon lang ru Ushri Hector Marwin ubalong Director Kamadan Gofling Shillong Ushri Spencer William Joint Commissioner Katnat Custom Jong Kanong ba Shillong. Bad ka Anjali Verma ka kli jong ka Meghalaya Postal Division haringkat ka jingdon lang jong kinong thokon kiriu pau kmat jong ka jylla. Habakran hakatay ka jingyalang Ushri Sanjeev Ranjan ulaong kani ka permanent pictorial cancellation kalong ka jingpynshisha ya ka pateng tynrai jong ka jylla Meghalaya. Kanlong ro kum kadak banpin itu ya ka jing itanat bat ya ka history jong ka Madan Gulf hasilong siya ka perthei barok ka way balara lingba ka way pa ka way ka khubor.
Our beautiful course in this permanent pictorial cancellation. We have beautiful scenic spot in this and continually because Meghalaya now is becoming a tourist destination. We are growing as a visible tourist destination in this country, and many new tourist spots are being discovered. But this is one of the very oldest tourist spot, and it is a, what do you call it? What should you say? It epitomizes the state of when you say Shillong, when you say golf course, then you associate this golf course with our beautiful state of Meghalaya. We have large number of tourists coming to this to Shillong, who invariably make this as one of their stops. And I would like to once again thank our Postmaster General there, the Chief Postmaster General North East Circle, who have brought us on the map of the Indian Post and Telegraph through the pictorial presentation, permanent pictorial cancellation, snapshot of our beautiful golf course. I would like to thank all of you again here.
Of the society. Notice the sylvan surroundings of Shillong. I, on behalf of Government of India, Department of Post, present this pictorial cancellation to this golf course. This pictorial cancellation image will be preserved in all museums across the country as well as across the globe. This pictorial cancellation image is exhibited in international exhibitions, competitions. Therefore, the importance of this golf course, Shillong, will go a long way. Once again, I feel privileged to be part of this celebration, and I dedicate this pictorial cancellation to the state of Meghalaya in particular and in general to the people of Meghalaya state. Thank you.